Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial for WP Maps Pro. In this video, we will learn how to use limit panning settings. You can limit the viewable area and zoom level of Google Maps using limit panning settings. WP Maps Pro provides the easiest way to limit panning, dragging so the map stays within certain bounds using limit panning settings. Step 1. Go to Add Map or Manage Maps, Edit Map. Now on this page, scroll down to the Limit Panning Settings section. Step 2. Enable the Limit Panning option. Step 3. Enter the latitude and longitude of southwest and northeast boundaries and select Zoom Level. Step 4. Click Save Map and see the changes. That's it. I hope you have learned how to use limit panning settings in the WP Maps Pro plugin. Thanks for looking at the tutorial.